Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by opening TikTok and going straight to the inbox. This is where messages live. Once there, scan the top row for direct messages or notifications tabs. Make sure you're on the account you expect. Message threads are account specific. If you don't see the inbox, tap your profile, then the 3 lines to find messages. Don't waste time toggling settings. Open inbox, check tabs, and proceed to the message list to find new conversations. You now need to locate the conversation. Switch to messages or requests and use the search field to type a username or keyword. Once done, scroll recent threads and look for blue dots indicating unread messages. If you still can't find a chat, open the Requests tab. TikTok filters unknown senders there. On desktop, click the inbox icon top right to access the same folders. Make sure to expand collapse threads. Some messages from followers versus non-followers land in different tabs. To finish, open the found thread and reply with text, stickers, or media. Long press messages to copy or save. Make sure to mark or screenshot important exchanges so you can return quickly. If messages still aren't visible, perform these steps. Update the TikTok app, switch Wi-Fi or cellular, clear app cache from settings, and log out then back in. If none work, restart your device. That often restores synced conversations and resolves temporary display errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.